YouTube channel. It's your girl Coco here, and as you can see today I'm looking very different. Like, I'm so happy to be doing this video. Like, oh my god, you can see how my tattoo out and shining here and there. Anyway guys, so today I'm going to show you how I installed this wig for the first time, and as you can see it's so nice. So you guys just sit down and see to the end of the video how I installed this wig. This wig is from Aliexpress, heat resistant wig and 22-inch. So guys, don't leave yet, sit down and let's get into the video. So guys, instead of me to use makeup, I don't have makeup right now. I'm just using what I have right now to do this video. I'm going to firstly use the GOT2B glue.
Like, bro, how you handle her? Diamonds on my new boyfriend, so that mean I will never ever fuck with you again. And I ain't never need him, so it's so easy to leave him. And I be doing me, I ain't never trying to please him. I love me this much, my pear shape will drip up.
I'm going to wear this wig because I've already applied the water resistant spiking glue to lay down the base of my hair for it to lay down, just because I don't have a wig cap. So I use this one to help me, okay? So yeah. I'm falling in love with you. Hey, I made up my mind for you. No matter the place I'll go with you. I'm falling in love with you, but I'm falling in love with you. Made up my mind for you. No matter the place I go with you. So guys, this is how the wig looks like. I got it from Aliexpress. I ordered it from Aliexpress. But when it came, this part wasn't like how it is now. So guys, this is it. I've finished cutting my lace front, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So let's install it. Voila! So now the spiking glue has dried. Now that the glue has dried, I'm going to apply this.
I like it when you call me crazy, long as you keep calling, baby. You think it's cute that I know how to shoot? Don't you see it if I pointed at you? Broke up with my ex, dumped in the text. Would wish you the best, but I already left date night with my bitches. Get real twisted. You know what you could do? Give my ass a bunch of kisses. I love me this much, my pear shape will drip up. It's breathing in my body.
So guys, this is the final look of the hair, and as you guys see, it's looking very nice. Yeah, your baby girl made this tail wig, like, oh goodness. So guys, leave a comment below on what you think about this wig. Yeah, and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please support your baby girl, okay? Please hit the subscribe button, like my videos, and also leave a comment down below, like, so that your baby girl's channel will keep growing. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. Like, as you can see, it's looking very nice. Like, I'm looking all slayed up, ganging and banging. So what do you think about this hair? Leave a comment on what you think about this hair. So this wig is a 22-inch wig from Aliexpress, heat resistance wig, and it's looking very nice. You guys, I'm actually enjoying this wig. Oh my goodness. So this is my first time installing the wig, and It came up perfect. Okay guys, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and oh, leave a comment down below. So yeah, thank you for watching my videos.